Hello, my dear friend. Today we are going to talk about the fatigue, the burnout of all the busyness from the holidays. And I want to invite you to measure which one is, first of all, let's start with the word, the emotion that you feel. Is it burnout? Is it fatigue? Is it tired? What is it that you feel from all the busyness of the holidays? And then once you are clear on the emotion that you feel, become aware of the number, measure it 0 to 10. 0, none whatsoever, I'm just fine, and 10, the most. And as always, as we dive into clearing the emotions, I invite you to change my words so that they're applicable to what you need. So please tap along with me and let's dive in. Even though I feel tired, there's so much happening, so much going on, and it's really hard for me. I feel depleted. I feel spent. I choose to forgive myself. I choose to have compassion for myself. And I choose to allow my energy to recharge now. It's just been so hard. So much is expected of me. I'm trying to do everything for everyone. I'm trying to make this an amazing holiday for everyone. But it's really tiring me. There's so much to do. The decorations, the choosing of gifts, the wrapping of presents, the parties, the socializing. And it feels like it's all on me. I'm doing so much. All this tension, all this exhaustion. I'm just spent. There's too much going on. The busyness is really exhausting. I cannot wait for the new year so I can just relax. All this tiredness, all this exhaustion. And I choose to give myself a hug right now. I choose to give myself permission to rest. I don't need to do it perfectly for everyone. I don't need to make this their perfect holiday. I just want to enjoy it. I just want to do my best. And I want to enjoy it. And I am enjoying it. But it's tiring. So I choose to simply allow my energy to recharge. I choose to feel my energy expanding. I choose to remember all the fun, all the laughter. I choose to do that which will make me feel good. I choose to give myself a little self-care, to make time for me. It's okay to make time for me. I choose to feel better and better. I choose to expand and fluff up my energy. I'm just so grateful I get to do all of this. It's really so fun and so amazing. And now I choose to take care of me. I choose to do what feels good to me. I choose to expand my own energy. I choose to nurture myself. I choose to do that which nurtures me. I deserve it. I'm allowed to enjoy the holidays as well. I'm allowed to do everything I want or nothing. I'm allowed to slow down. I'm allowed to take it easier. I'm allowed to take care of myself. And I choose to take care of myself. I choose to do that which feels good to me. I choose to take a breather. I matter. My needs matter. I choose to put myself first on the forefront of this holiday because as I feel full of energy, I get to enjoy the holiday more. I get to experience more fun and more joy. And that's what I choose. And so it is. And take a deep breath in. And I invite you to schedule something for today, for tomorrow, for the rest of the holiday season. If you really feel depleted and exhausted, if it is something that you've experienced in other years as well, I invite you to schedule, put on your calendar, literally add it to your calendar as an event, something every day that will replenish and recharge your energy. And it could be, if you have a kitty, to sit with your cat and just quietly, peacefully pet your cat. It could be taking a walk. It could be simply reading a book and going to bed earlier. It could be sleeping in on Sunday morning or Saturday morning if that's possible with your schedule. It means allowing whatever will give you a little more sense of I am taking care of me. If you have a bath, take a bath. If not, take an enjoyable shower. Do something that nurtures you. The reason why we get so exhausted is because we simply put ourselves on the back burner and we run on empty. But let's do it differently this year. What do you say? Let's do it differently. And the only way I know of doing things differently is if I schedule it. That's my accountability. And because I know that if it's on my schedule, I get to do it. It's there. It's a reminder. I will do it. And so please schedule that which will feel good to you. And maybe it's simply writing a gratitude list of 10 things that you're grateful for and why. Because, that will rev up your sense of love and connection and gratitude so meaningfully. So that's something that you can do. I'm sending you big hugs. You've got this. Take care of you, because by your cup being full, you're actually making this a fuller holiday season for everyone else. But also, you get to have more fun. You get to be more present. And that's what I want for you. Ask for help. Ask for help and schedule time for yourself. Ask others to pitch in. Don't try to do it all. Don't be a super mom and a super woman who's doing it all. Let others contribute and schedule time for yourself. I love you, and we'll talk again tomorrow.